Hello everyone, glad to see you here. My name is Nick. In this video we will talk about the Novellair application. So firstly, I would like to show you how to install this application. Of course, as other applications, you can install it in Play Store or in App Store. So in my case, I will show you how to do it in Play Store. All you need to do is type in the search box Novellair, and then you will find this application. So just click on the install button, and now we have to wait until this application will be installed on our device. As you understand, this video is a short tutorial, and I really hope it will be helpful for you. Okay, the app is installed, so let's run it. Click on the open button. And as you can see, Novellair is an online reading platform. Right on your screen, you can see how the interface looks like. At the very bottom, you can find 5 tabs: Library, Discover, Rewards, Genre, and Profile. So the last one is Profile. Here you can find out information about your account, see how many vouchers and coins you have. So by the way, you can buy them. Just click on Purchase. And of course, you can get free vouchers. Just click on Rewards or click on Rewards right here at the very bottom, and complete all these tasks. For example, for first top-up task, you can get 80 vouchers. Also here you can find the settings tab, but there is you can only disable and enable notifications. The next tab is genre. So here you can find out the necessary genre on the left side and just start reading something. So about rewards, we have already talked a bit. Just complete these tasks if you would like to get free vouchers. In the Discover tab, you can just find the interesting novels. For example, filter them or just see what's popular now. And the last one is Library. Here you can add novels and then download it on your device. By the way, if you click on the edit button at the top right, you can delete novels. Okay, and to add a novel, just find the necessary one, go to the novels page, then click on read, scroll down to the very bottom, and here you can subscribe. Click on it, and the novel will add it to the library. So it was a short video about the Novellair application. I hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Goodbye.